In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Roblox account for mobile. First, hit that like and subscribe button to keep updated. So let's get into the video. Click on the Friends button. This one is for connecting friends through contacts. I'm not going to do that right now, so I'm going to press Not Now. And here we are. We're going to search on the screen what friend we want to add. Just add. I want to click Alex. And now, here appears all the users with named Alex. Just pick the one that you want to add. So I'm going to click on this guy here. Just click the little person and friend request is now sent. That's basically all you have to do. But first, let's go back to the menu, click on the bottom right screen and click on friends. And this is where your friends will show up once they've accepted your request. Going back to the menu here, you can add friends again if you want. And that's basically all there is to the video. So thanks and goodbye.